22 Sandpiper Key Way is a popular Meadowlark bungalow with a fully finished basement located in the heart of Swan Lake Village. This home is move-in ready with sleek and stylish hardwood flooring, substantial renovations, and contemporary lighting and decor throughout. It offers turnkey living for a downsizer looking for easy, one-level living with everything you need at your fingertips, and beautifully finished space on the lower level. And in Swan Lake, you get the easy condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 1,170 square foot Meadowlark model remains a perennial favorite. As you come up the front walk, there's a quiet patio area perfect for sitting out in the afternoon sunshine. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with ceramic flooring, coffered ceiling, pot lights, front hall closet, and convenient access to the garage. This leads through to an open concept spacious living, dining, and sunroom area with hardwood flooring, cozy gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and skylight. The dining room has a pass-through to the kitchen for seamless entertaining, and the main living areas have lush green views and a walkout to the extra-wide back deck. The stylishly updated kitchen features updated white cabinetry with ample storage space and pantry cabinet. Stainless steel appliances including a smooth-top stove, built-in dishwasher, built-in microwave hood fan, and double-door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. There's a contemporary backsplash, updated countertops, and a breakfast area with a skylight. The primary bedroom has hardwood floors and large windows overlooking the greenery at the back. The room has a double closet and a renovated ensuite bathroom with a roll-in shower stall with handheld and rain shower heads, and vanity with quartz countertops and a top-mount sink. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy. This room has hardwood floors and the closet. It's located close to a second full private washroom. The second washroom has been recently updated with new flooring, vanity, lighting, and toilet. This basement is ready for guests, games, and fun. Complete with a spacious rec room perfect for your home theater with a cozy electric fireplace, a guest bedroom with a full renovated bathroom, storage, a laundry room, and a separate den or office area with laminate floors. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with a barbecue hookup. Surrounded by trees and grass, it's a leafy green paradise with the sound of the birds and the wind in the leaves to help you while away a sunny day. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.